Is soy useful for your heart? The Food and Drug Administration says it's not all that obvious, and proposed Monday to disavow the claim that soy protein can avert coronary illness. That doesn't mean soy isn't useful for your heart, or that it doesn't have a scope of different advantages, the FDA said. Furthermore, sustenance creators could make what's known as a qualified claim. Importance: there is some confirmation that soy is useful for your heart. Soybean oil may in any case convey a qualified claim. Be that as it may, there's sufficiently not confirmation to state straight up that eating soy protein helps your heart, the office said. Today, we are proposing a run to deny a well-being claim for soy protein and coronary illness, the FDA's Susan Main said in an announcement. Out of the blue, we have thought of it as important to propose and administer to deny a well-being claim in light of the fact that various investigations distributed since the claim was approved in 1999 have introduced conflicting discoveries on the connection between soy protein and coronary illness, included Main, who heads the office's Sustenance Security and Nourishment Focus. The American Heart Association consistently surveys the proof that specific sustenances battle coronary illness and chose in 2006 that there was insufficient confirmation that soy brings down cholesterol so much that it decreases coronary illness hazard. One stresses that individuals will simply add sustenances like soy to a standard American eating routine overwhelming in meat, handled carbs, sugar and undesirable fats. Many individuals have far-fetched assumptions about these nourishments, supposing they'll be shielded from endless sicknesses and medical issues. Sustenance educator Penny Kreisatherton of Pennsylvania State University says in an announcement posted on the American Heart Association's site, they may eat maybe a couple of these supplement-thick sustenances over a less than stellar eating routine. The proof proposes that it's less adding soy to the eating routine that brings down cholesterol and diminishes coronary illness chance, however eating it rather than more undesirable nourishments. One examination used to permit heart asserts about soy took a gander at almost 5,000 men and ladies in Japan, where the individuals who ate the most soy had the least cholesterol levels. A 1995 meta-examination, a catch-all consider assembling information from numerous different investigations, found that individuals who ate 50 grams of soy protein daily rather than meat, drain or cheddar decreased levels of terrible LDL cholesterol by very nearly 13%. Be that as it may, different examinations have not indicated such an authoritative circumstances and end results. Our audit of that confirmation has driven us to infer that the connection between soy protein and coronary illness does not meet the thorough standard for a FDA-approved well-being claim, the FDA said. The FDA just permitted soy oil creators to assert their item is heart sound, and Monday's proposed activity doesn't influence that. Likewise with canola and oil, soy oil makers can utilize a mark saying that 1.5 tablespoons of soybean oil a day may lessen the danger of coronary illness when it replaces soaked fat. There's much proof indicating soy sustenances can help individuals' well-being, including avoidance of disease. Soybeans are high in fiber, and additionally mixes called isoflavones, which incorporate daidzein and genistein. Genistein can meddle with cell development and expansion and that thus may moderate tumors. Despite the fact that soy protein has minimal direct impact on cholesterol, soy sustenances are useful for the heart and veins since they typically supplant less energizing decisions, similar to red meat, and on the grounds that they convey a lot of polyunsaturated fat, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and are low in immersed fat, the Harvard School of Public Health says on its site. The FDA has been analyzing the soy nourishment issue for over 10 years. It's been under strain to renounce the claim from a few gatherings, including the Western A Value Foundation, which advocates for crude drain and spread and restricts immunizing youngsters. In 2016, the FDA denied a request from the Western A Value Foundation trying to deny the well-being claim for soy. The request of neglected to address the huge number of intercession contemplates that to demonstrate a diminished danger of coronary illness, a basic lack, the FDA said in its refusal. Simply under a third, 31% of Americans, eat soy foods or soy drinks once per week or all the more, as indicated by the Soy Foods Association of North America. The gathering says 45% search out items particularly on the grounds that they contain soy. The FDA says it's still okay for shoppers who have inquiries concerning eating soy items. We prescribe the Keep On Following counsel from the 20,152,020 dietary guidelines, which express that an adhering to a good diet example can incorporate soy refreshments and an assortment of protein nourishments, including soy items, the FDA said. Soy is good for health, but it's not defined, says FDA was last modified October 30, 2017 by Amy Stone.